Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use SketchUp. We'll begin by exploring the intuitive user interface, familiarizing ourselves with key menus and toolbars. You'll quickly grasp how to navigate the three-dimensional environment, zooming, panning, and orbiting with ease. We'll also cover the crucial steps of saving your work and opening existing projects, ensuring your creative efforts are always secure and accessible. Now, let's dive into SketchUp's fundamental drawing tools. You'll learn to create precise two-dimensional shapes using the line, rectangle, and circle tools. The powerful push/pull tool will then transform these flat shapes into impressive three-dimensional objects with just a few clicks. We'll also cover essential manipulation tools like move, rotate, and scale, giving you full control over your model's elements. Moving on, we'll explore more advanced modeling techniques to enhance your designs. Grouping objects will help you organize complex models, making them easier to manage and edit. You'll discover how to apply a wide variety of materials and textures, bringing a realistic look and feel to your creations. We'll also learn to create custom components, saving you valuable time on repetitive elements. Finally, let's prepare your SketchUp model for presentation. We'll learn to set up multiple scenes, allowing you to showcase different angles and details of your design. You'll discover how to generate realistic shadows and adjust lighting to create stunning visual effects. Lastly, we'll cover exporting your model in various file formats, making it easy to share your impressive work with others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.